The people carry the carry the bag of bags.
Okay, well, I'm carrying the bear bag then. Where's the bear bag going?
Well, it's the good
I'll
thing
trade
is
you.
it only weighs.
I already have a bear bag.
Bear bag.
So
Someone needs to carry
every
it.
pair needs to have a bear bag.
So what are the 2 brown lines?
I think that's just a road.
Let's just check.
Naturally.
You won't need to do
The one I took my first crew out on.
We're taking a break. How do you feel?
pretty good.
My heart rate's like super high right now, but
Mine's average right now. So it's usually
how you guys feel?
I don't know. A little tired, but I'm. Took like a 30-second break and I'm back and ready.
Yep. Where's Baldy? You guys see Baldy?
Or should touch the circular metal piece to punch that primer out. It also resizes the shell so that way it'll fit in the gun. And then step 2 here is the primer. Those are in the clear tray. It's what will ignite that powder, which we'll show you in a minute. So I'll press down. Primer's in there. And to make sure it's good, you just run your hand over, make sure it's flush a few times. And then, so pay attention here, it gets a little complicated, but I'm sure you guys can do it. Step 3, you slide it in here, push down, you'll slide over, which will put your powder in, bring it up. This stays down so y'all don't skip a step somehow. Then you're going to want to put a, do you know what this is? What part of it?
A wad.
Cartridge? Wad, yes, very good. What is this shape like?
A
A cup, yes, very good. So cup up, the cup part will go on this metal bar, and you can guide it down. If it'll let me. Press that down, keep it down, don't let off or it'll come up on you. Slide that over. Do you hear that?
Yep.
The shot going in. That piece lifts up. I can take this out now. I'm not going to tip it over, but there is shot in here. You can see that. Step 4 will begin to fold it. Looks like that. And then the last step will finish crimping it, yes. And that did not feed. There we go. If your primer doesn't feed, let me know and I can help you with it. They're a little funky sometimes. And then you have your finished shell.
Cool.
I'll give that one to you to shoot later. We get to make 3. So go ahead and step them up. And okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Go down. Very nice.
Check the back.
How do we put it in? Guys, go on outside. This way?
Yeah, not supposed to drop that. There you go. Very nice.
No primer.
You need a primer. Alright. So you can take this away off.
So can we do this or is it?
You can if you want. Now we'll work stuff like that.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Huh?
Can I try one more?
Yes. You got one more.
Everybody got the shoes as well? Yep.
No.
And then you can go ahead and
Birdshot. Solid piece of
primer down.
Okay.
There we go.
There we go.
Alright. I'll keep my shoulder over here.
Yeah, is that it there?
Yeah,
Good.
Full.
So one thing
That was loud.
One thing I saw is that you're leaning back.
Okay.
That's why I was saying get your butt out.
So lean forward.
Yeah, you want to lean into it.
Okay.
All right, close her up.
So cool. Alright, you got it, Dylan.
Good job, Ted. Let me get one
Full.
Oh, just ahead.
Hey, Toby! How we feeling? Feeling good?
Oh, look at
It's raining. First rainstorm. Glad we're in camp and not hiking. If we were hiking, this would be pretty miserable.
Yeah, eat.
Dad, is that you? You can't see the raindrops either.
Oh, the
Nice.
camo pants with the Crocs, Toad. It's perfect.
I should stick my legs out.
I didn't bring my ring, Toad.
Delivery bag and it's great.
Toby, what's going on? So depressed.
Toby,
Ted,
where'd your pants go?
Ted, what's going on?
Where'd my pants go?
Ted, what's going on?
Okay, so it's been raining for about 5 to 10 minutes now. Started with a little bit of drizzle. Yeah, but about half an hour ago, we felt the temperature drop, and we're like, all right, time to get in
That's how
action.
you know that it rains at Philmont, guys.
Yeah, when the temperature drops,
about 10
you know it's
degrees.
about to rain.
You feel it in an instant. It's a wave of cold.
It did drop really fast. It dropped to like 10 degrees in 5 minutes.
I popped up my tent as soon as I could.
Instant.
So yeah, we got everything set up just in time, I think.
Yeah, I literally ran back and forth from the tent, getting all my electronics out of that and into the tent because I feel more comfortable in the tent than in my bag with like a cover that only covers half of it.
Yeah.
I mean, they were in waterproof bags, but my battery, my big battery, my headphones, and my GoPro charger were not.
Yeah, we're still waiting for water to boil. But
It might take a little bit longer now.
Yeah, it's just started raining.
It's
stopped
been
for a
boiling
bit.
for like an hour now.
Then it started raining again, and now it's slowing down a bit, but it's still
The
raining.
clouds are not going away.
Clouds are not going away. My
Yeah.
GoPro's getting quite wet, but it is waterproof, so.